Seal all access points. You too.
Will you enjoy it? Will you enjoy killing me? Like you killed my children?
You're infested. You're dead already.
Do it. Finish it.
Gonna tell me I told you so? That we never should have gone to Agri in the first place?
I ain't about to kick dirt on you when you're down. Just some bad luck is all. Besides, I'm sure your Protoss buddies are real proud of you.
It was our own mess to clean up. I don't give a damn what the Protoss think.
I heard about what went down in the lab. Pity that. But don't let yourself get distracted from what has to be done. Take my advice. Keep it simple. No attachments. No strings. Just you against the universe.
Sometimes I feel like anything I start caring about just gets destroyed.
Not your fault. Did you ever stop and think what had happened if all those refugees from Agria had gone to the core worlds? That Hansen was a honey trap right from the start. Let's get down to business. Lots of folks ready to fight. For the right price.
Your best and only source for news. This is Donnie Vermillion for UNN. Refugees continue to flood Dominion space. They can't seem to find a safe planet anywhere. And they're showing up on our doorsteps.
Donnie, Emperor Mengsk today announced that he's ordered the fleet to turn away refugee ships that enter core world systems, which raises the question, will Dominion ships really fire on unarmed civilian vessels? General Warfield had this to say.
All our efforts at this time are focused on halting the Zerg advance on the core world.
In other words, the General dodged the question. If Dominion forces fire on unarmed civilians...
Now, Kate, we can't second-guess our boys in the field, can we? You heard it here first. For UNN, I'm Donnie Vermillion.
Old Mengsk is finding that running an empire ain't all it's cracked up to be. I should really take this down. Guess the...
We've received reports of a new Dominion salvage operation on Tarsonis.
Never thought we'd be back to this graveyard again. What have we got, Matt?
The Dominion's restored power to the old rail network. They're using the trains to move salvage to a central processing station. Our informants say the Dominion's found something unusually valuable, and they're transporting it to the processing station today. It's on one of these trains, but unfortunately they're all scan-shielded, so we can't tell which one. We'll have to hit as many as we can and hope we get lucky.
Hope we get lucky? That ain't the usual Matt Horner plan.
You got a better one, sir. I'm all ears.
It's all good, Matt. You sold me. Well, let's go rob ourselves some trains. Old Tychus is gonna love this one.
What's going on?
Not enough minerals.
This better be good. Orders received.
Sir, it turns out there are a few Confederate vehicles in the hills the Dominion haven't salvaged yet.
Diamondbacks. Man, I didn't think they made it past prototyping. Their rail guns will be great for stopping those trains. No pun intended. I'll upload their schematics to our factory network.
There may be other vehicles around that we can commandeer. We should keep our eyes open.
By the numbers, boys. Why not? Sure. Looking forward to it.
SCV ready.
What's the plan? Victory is ours.
Big job, huh? SCV ready.
What's on your mind?
You gonna give me orders? Gangway, coming through.
At the ready.
SCV ready. Bad news? Go ahead. SCV ready. In the rear with the gear. I'm going. SCV ready.
Excellent.
Huh? We hear. Ah! You scared me! SCV ready. What's going on? Uh-huh.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Pleasure. On the move. How devious. I like it. Of course. How devious. On the move. What? My pleasure. Victory is ours. Of course.
Armed and ready.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Sure thing. Huh? Bad news?
Excellent work, sir. We can utilize the train's scrap payload to build more units.
Excellent. On the move. What needs killing? What's the... I'm waiting.
This better be good. Yes, sir. SCV ready. Big job, huh? SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! Go ahead. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready.
What needs killing?
Move it!
What's on your mind?
Been waiting on you. SCV ready. By the number.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Check it out, Jimmy. Dominion started sending escorts to protect the trains.
What?
Armed and ready.
Go on. Excellent. How devious. On the move. I like it. Victory is ours. My pleasure. On the move.
Go, go, go!
Not enough minerals.
I'm waiting.
What's going on? Gotcha. Go ahead. This better be good. By the numbers, boys. Bad news?
Additional supply depots required.
Roger. Armed and ready. Big job, huh? Yo.
Additional supply
What needs killing?
depots required.
Commander, I'm picking up increased comm traffic from the Dominion. Sounds like they're planning to attack our base. We better be ready.
I like it. What?
Base is under attack.
We could use some help here.
At the ready.
Been waiting on you.
I'm waiting.
This better be good. SCV ready. Go ahead. Big job, huh? Go, go, go! Woohoo! Overtime!
A train is exiting the southern tunnel. Required.
What's the plan? What?
Additional supply depots required.
How devious.
Additional supply depots required.
Victory is ours. Excellent. I like it. Of course. My pleasure. On the move. How devious. Excellent. Victory is ours.
Additional supply depots required.
I like it. On the move. Of course. I like it. Of course.
The Dominion are constructing a series of bunkers to protect the tracks. Be careful.
Move it! Who wants some? Yes, sir. Huh? Go ahead. What's going on?
Base is under attack.
What? I like it.
SCV ready.
Go on.
Go, go, go!
Base is under attack.
Yes, sir! By the numbers, boy.
Additional supply depots required.
What's going on?
Base is under attack.
Will it?
What needs killing?
Base is under attack.
Big job, huh?
Get me out of here.
Base is under attack.
By the numbers, boy. Sure.
I'm waiting. On the move.
Base is under attack. A train is coming through the western tunnel. Attack.
Get me out of here. At the ready. Victory is... Get me out of here.
Additional supply depots required.
Go on.
Additional supply depots required. Additional supply depots required.
What's going on? Yeah, whatever. Huh? Yo. Big job.
Additional supply depots required.
At the ready. My pleasure. What? I'm waiting. What's on your mind?
Woo-hoo! Overtime. Ah! You scared me. Bad news. Big job. SCV ready. Who wants some?
Additional supply depots required.
Affirmative. Huh? Uh-huh. What's going on? Yep.
Additional
What needs
supply
killing?
depots required. Additional supply depots required.
Get me out of here.
In the rear with the gear. Go ahead.
Ready to plunder.
How devious.
Ah! You scared me! Big job, huh? Will do.
Additional supply depots. A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Victory is ours.
Vespine geyser exhausted.
Fight or flight? Yeah, right. No one lives forever.
On the move.
You want a piece of me, boy?
How devious. My pleasure. Excellent. On the move. Victory is ours. I like it. Of course. What needs killing? How devious.
In the rear with the gear. This better be good. You got it. What's going on? Go ahead.
Sir, I'm detecting Dominion kill teams patrolling the tracks with large groups of marauders. I'll mark their location with a red warning symbol. Still, you should try to avoid them.
Pleasure.
Ah! You scared me!
Let's get into the fight.
What needs killing?
Fight or flight? Yeah, made for battle. Very well.
At the ready. Excellent. I'm waiting. My pleasure. What? I like it. Of course. What's the plan? How devious.
Huh? Gotcha.
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
The Dominion are boosting their train speed somehow. You'll need to use Diamondbacks to catch them.
Well,
At the ready. What's on your mind? On the move. Victory is ours.
What's going on?
let's get into the fight. Certainly. Agreed. Bold. Ha-ha!
What?
Fight or flight? Yeah, right. I like it.
Bad news?
Go on. My pleasure. I like it.
Go ahead. Yep.
Override online.
Who wants some? You gonna give me orders? I'm on it.
Channel.
Armed and ready. This better be good.
Barbecue time. Got a whole lot of love.
In the rear with the...
Time's a waste. Don't leave me hanging. Go on.
Ah! You scared me! We hear you. Go, go, go!
Base is under attack.
Gangway, coming through.
At the ready. What's on your mind? How devious. My pleasure. I like it.
Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Yes, indeed. You want a piece of me, boy? Armed and ready.
A train is approaching through a tunnel in the northwest.
Certainly. All right.
On the move. Victory is ours. Get me out of here. What?
Transformation systems primed. Agreed. No one lives forever. This better be good. You want a piece of me, boy?
On the move. Excellent.
By the numbers, boys.
What's on your mind?
What's going on? Gotcha.
What? I'm waiting. Of course. How devious.
You ready for war? Ha ha! I like it. Fight or flight? Yeah, right. Let's get into the fight. Bold. All right. Yes, indeed.
What's the plan? I like it. My pleasure.
Can't hold him alone.
Excellent.
Who wants some?
What? Victory is ours. Of course.
You gonna give me orders? Bad news? Woohoo!
What's on your mind?
A train is coming through the western tunnel.
Looks like the Dominion ran out of whatever they were juicing the trains with. They're putting out bigger escorts, though. We better watch ourselves.
At the ready.
In the rear with the... Go ahead. Ah! You scared me! Uh-huh.
Go on. My pleasure. Excellent. Of course. I like it. Victory is ours. How devious. My pleasure. Excellent.
Sir, we're detecting electrical activity in the wreckage.
Now let's see what they were so fired up to get their hands on.
Adjutant 23-46 online. System recording. New Gettysburg Defense Initiative. Submit access codes.
Well, I'll be. So, Confederate adjutant. What intel's so important it'd go and dig her up to recover it?